My never I say ma PENDREAM TV. PENDREAM TV there. I see them yopo.
Abusiafo aye de omanpenyini Akuffo Addo ede aye owura John Dramani Mahama ye manpenyini dada by 7th January 2025 oba be the president of the Republic of Ghana. Misan suru edema Akuffo Addo. Seriously, misan suru edema no. Because wako ka ntoka jane ade ani kwanse kokoye no waye ama ne wabie the Pandora box ama enne enyoma ebi pipi ma free no nyame nko ani ni mabusiafo se omanpenyi John Dramani Mahama nam ni baabi as omanpenyi dada na watimi atwe no edna ko special prosecutor nim ako investigate na hwehwe na asem as omanpenyi dada wo so ba be omanpenyi dada enche less than 4 months na wo so abeda na omanpenyi dada na wo di say eye omanpenyi dada bi asense be eye owura Edudzi tamaklu oye NDC near mekane say legal or more legal offense committee no ena oda ano na wabedi nkomo okay FM ade ache bia so one kwame nchromatic na mepese ekoni ekutie nsem no bi na yetie sade ebisi akosa so no kasafa eye offense attorney general odame ninsensam ne ato force case no so de kokko or de go Supreme Court yekutie nkomo no mra wankasa bu hu di isi hey Akuffo Addo abuja PENDREAM TV so message also be like a video no na share to other platforms no mo so enya bi hwe esraw subscribe to the channel na afi wo anwenkyere bi afato comment section no ase ema ne yekutie nkomo no mra sisi
seven so ini lawyer god you edi chamaklo director legal edi ma NDC amanyuko no na no me moache
ba kwame anopa mechiawo fiofo na so
na what to say
ba kwame obo adia daroma de hoye papa ajona onso
meso me hoye na attorney general na no ada no say asem kopie eye appeals court Emma Yewra ato forcing Yewra Japa were accused and discharged. Now yet say Attorney General say obey appeal. Now enra no sumate say you say wako file appeal at Supreme Court. Now what is have you been served? You didn't kind as legal counsel for Sanko for Mbako. Now it was sense so.
Welcome. My social media now the notice of appeal.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. To be answered, the OSHA process, no, I think they filed yesterday around 2 p.m. In the Yakoban minister to be on Monday at the court. In I usually appeal a client may decide to be the best is not lawyer. They may want to serve in himself. That we'll take it out from there.
No, yes, we are fair number head almost grounds of appeal. Now, Muslim responses be a movie Amadiaba.
Africa, one is for appeal, no. I think the compilation of the records of appeal. I think I'll compile the records. We are answer. Obe refer to the registry of the Supreme Court. Answer. This is just a class of backlog of cases.
Aye.
Anything I know council of 5 additional Supreme Court judges.
Yes.
5 minutes. Oh no, baby, sir. 1 5 no.
There be
there is a backlog of cases.
Wow. Now, Ebi Swa, one by expeditiously.
Why?
Be a case, they might want to dispense with it. Now, one more quarter cases. And I know one after the other. When did he come by and
no, anything I'm reading out, why? First court in October.
So, but be a constituted panel of Supreme Court judges, maybe a one more transfer. So,
they Supreme Court judges for no almost speciality family value law case also now.
I assume.
And I'm glad
yeah.
And I knew here. Me be so one hour can be so.
And why wouldn't you, Samija, if you was in the future is pregnant?
No, God. You see, maybe a baby, I said, my cat has a more figures. You see, Dr. Mills, may his soul rest in peace. Now, Sapa family, Dr. Mills, the dinosaur. Look, now, keep society together as a uniquely. Look, and now all can say, I shall be father for all. And for who will be answering us? Look, so a man be near. You must live above a certain threshold. And your ultimate is how to keep the nation together. So, Ubitmiama or mining na Ube harness the resources, the talent, knowledge nationwide, so as to build a formidable country. If there be an woman, Pinino, what do you say? Why mention? Mama, Timbermufo, Aye, Quambenso, in a Metiama, Timbermufo, Eddie, Quambenso, in the meeting. If there be an who be so question. If there's a branch, even though or your NDC, or you're very talented, Quambenso, a branch, even though or your MPP, or you're very talented, Quambenso, if there be an the whole thing, now let me say, how do I make life better for our people? That was the vision of Prophet H.J. Mahama Etwaso. But Nana Bayano, 360 degrees, going after your political opponents, your perceived opponents. So, said you, Nana, even within LPP crown was such a party number 2. It's already a big BR institution. Let's see how tomorrow will be. Let's see how tomorrow will be. Look, the Chrome town for Omo, send ya almost say, awful pediatric crowd. Won't we who actually? How come in? But what you?
Meet your pa.
Almost say, awful pediatric crowd. And ya dear, who be watching. There be Sana, you answer it. My was one. I mean, we and also special prosecutor. Sa Eba scandal. What they want a report about now as generity. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, ne one more keka ho enyina. Na utie no the presentation in him or the two Janet was saying. Rakwame. Sadi Eba 2020. Yeah, can't say nothing untoward happened. The basic principle of law, and then it says, you cannot accuse a person unless you hear the person. Like, which will go before. Which will catch you be a guilty of any offense. And the crowd won't see any master. And send be a basis.
Sanity.
Even by
Rule of natural justice.
Or the Atherum as. If a Bible Mukrano, Nanko Poma Katasho, when you might be in Amra Adam any if it could be say the Atano. Sena Nanko Pon Uni. Nanko Pon any.
No, Ampa.
And then you do it, or say, beside Adam said, then why ye? And just to ensure the requirement of hearing is met. What should the deferred prosecution agreement are? The Crown Courts are adopted hereby the Victoria Okanya. At no point in time is there any indication that the named individuals were heard and the decision taken. Basic principle of law. So, in fact, what kind of deferred prosecution agreements now almost say they are not going to name individuals because they have not been heard. It's in the deferred prosecution agreement. It's in the judgment of the Crown Court. But you wouldn't be here.
Debbie.
Not a 2020 election year.
So the Awoka say, sir, judgment in the by was it Gentie Wamasem?
Yes. Hello.
It was definite.
Yes.
Okay.
It was in the deferred prosecution agreement and the judgment of the Crown Court.
Okay.
In fact, that is why the identities were not disclosed.
And
that they even indicated that it undermines the principle of fairness. It undermines the principle of fairness. Say, Obia won't hear the numasem. The four. And their names were not disclosed. But and so we buy not an election year, the year 2020. Nana the Akuffo Addo was playing for his second term. And this time, Mahama has also been elected. So now, the need said his political opponent, this matter had come out. Two, at that time in the United States of America and so on, now President Trump already started or called for an investigation into the conduct of Hunter Biden. Then candidate Biden's son is on Ukrainian transaction. So Akuffo Addo was minded to play out that Trump playbook in the U.S. Welcome. I have it on a confidential note. Say, Nanado Akuffo Addo, and the deputy AG then approach officials of the special prosecutor's office that they should put agent on Mahama on trial.
Where based on hearsay and answer?
No, not hearsay, make us a match law.
Okay.
Tell me, listen. So the officials indicated that one, agent on Mahama enjoys immunity. After 3 years, he enjoys immunity from prosecution. And so that is not even going to be happen legally. It's not tenable. Then, Nanado Akuffo Addo, with this deputy AG, and at the right time, we'll talk about this matter. Impress upon these officers of the SP that it doesn't matter. They should still go ahead. And that let him come to court and accept his immunity. Now this person, this person at the right time in this country. So it was the officials of the SP there who insisted that they will not want to get themselves involved in the politics of Akuffo Addo by putting his political opponent under trial. He resisted that temptation. But you see, I always feel that my car will feed you so. Your phone side.
No, show you. Now, maybe that's all. Why not?
Hold on. Okay. On the 2nd day of February 2020, in the press release by Benahi, acting on for and on behalf of Mr. Akuffo Addo, was the one who asked special prosecutor to investigate this matter. So now, Akuffo Addo has set a precedent. So you can put your predecessor under investigation. Yes, sir.
Based on the response, based on existing laws and protocols.
Which protocol?
So be fair, just so. Say or enjoy immunity until for a certain period of time.
Without all these things, after 2020, Akuffo Addo knew he's a lawyer, he knows it. It's so look, mankind the letter from Nigerian. So that will be on the country Edudzi in a abolition in work. Communication directly, legally house. 2nd February 2020 for immediate release. Enquiry into bribery of Ghanaian officials in military aircraft deal. But what I hear? Also, President Akuffo Addo has taken notice of the judgment and its implications and has referred it to the Office of Special Prosecutor to corroborate with its UK counterparts to conduct prompt enquiry to determine the complicity or otherwise of any government official, past or present, involved in the said scandal. And this is President Akuffo Addo himself. What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Now, maybe I told open the petition come out president and
the petition be on his own accord. I told you that the reason was purely politics because in 2020 his only opponent was John Dramani Mahama for the 2020 election. Nothing more, nothing else. Now we know that a relative of the president, a government official, there are no protocols.
Wow.
There are no protocols. All the safety nets have been taken away. Simple.
I see. Now, any we no case no ewu. Now, no conform bisa question say, then a special prosecutor who said government official one no, President Mahama.
Oh, brother, even Akuffo Addo, listen carefully. Even Akuffo Addo, after 2020, when he asked for that investigation, he knew who the person was. It was purely politics. He knew who the person was. But you see, he wanted a campaign message so that the people could hear. They can say, my political opponent, the person who is contesting me, can you see, is the one being investigated. He wanted that. He wanted his communicators to have that message for the 2020 election. Pure politics. Because you see, Brother, if you are always killing you, say, and 9th August, to Tomano, interview, and it is a clear Obi can say on the 9th of August 2020 or 2024, Edudzi Obinya interview, OKFM. It will definitely be you. It will not be Isaac. So when you look at the timeline, Nana the Bank Akuffo Addo after the time, he referred the matter SP. He knew that he was doing politics. So, no protocols. No protocols. And then, I personally want to thank the special prosecutor, for the high level of professionalism our demonstrate. I have no doubt at all in my mind of his courage and professionalism. I've said it on this platform. The many call law school 2009 law faculty would be our chair in criminal law, and in fact, my interest in criminal law, like he basically encouraged my interest in criminal law because he always tells us that between civil practice and criminal practice was the easiest because defense attorney, you don't do anything. You only wake up, you go to court, cross-examine and go home. In civil practice, obediently pleading the bar. After now, over to sit down, I can't see a defense, I call court, I play way. But in criminal way, all the work is on the attorney general. They will bring their witness. You only wake up to court and go and do cross-examination and go back. My lady, I want to do submission of notice. My lord, I want to do this. And success. Rebecca said, let your client open his defense. So the work, he basically encouraged my interest in criminal practice. And I've always known his high sense of professionalism and courage. Yesterday, once again, he affirmed that. And I want to salute him for bringing finality to this rather useless petitions from Mr. Akuffo Addo in 2020.
Any lawyers need to kasa wam say obi so betimi dia court after said special prosecutor are bringing finality to the issue.
Sure, thankfully, Parliament went and passed the FNO, the Special Prosecutors Act. And was said, the object and function read together. A matter bordering on bribery, corruption. The criminal investigation of that is exclusive to the OSP. But what I say? Exclusive. Even the corruption-related offences under Act 29 were taken from Act 29, that's the Criminal Offences Act, and now given to the Office of the Special Prosecutor, exclusively to deal with.
Okay.
So, local courts now, so that the court will do an investigation or what? What is the court going to do? That the court, remember, the judicial system, the adversarial, it's not inquisitorial. If it's inquisitorial, then they can on its own accord investigate. But it's adversarial. It is two parties. On the or impartial. The mobile can know as what civic rule who are making a decision. Until then, no system exists. So this matter, it has been zoom lion.
Mate.
It has been zoom lion.
You are two ballers.
You are two ballers. Forever and ever.
I see. Lord, my man, no, pay.
That's the brother.
Let's make that say lawyer Godwin Edudzi Tamaklo and the action compatron.
Yo, I was for NT lawyer Godwin Edudzi Tamaklo. Lawyer Godwin Edudzi Tamaklo and Yakuti ne samono ewo Oki FM adie achie bia Jumadi no so one Kwame Nkrumah tikese na nkomo twetwe ekoso wo muntem abusia say Akuffo Addo misuru man keke wakobon humusu me say Akuffo Addo will be the first president of the Republic of Ghana wako every aban mu a obeko jail. I'm telling you, mo pamo mark into baby ya Akuffo Addo will go to jail. Charlie. Wo Akuffo Addo. Wo. What men ya kukuduro. Ede wonsa ekowo John Dramani Mahama ni. A man who is selfless. A man ono ba na ban mu ni nabusuani ba ko pe. Eno de ne ba na ban me no kompono enye substantive position no de man no ni office ho a eno de ne busuani no ko hye. Wo ena watumi di wonsa ko wo John Dramani Mahama ni. Wo nya moral right. Wo bost anka wo bogana krono ewi akiri wo se boacha jako na mislead wo omampanyin we a wo tuhi efensen PDS ho hihyehyim wo omampanyin we a krum ha even efensen agric ministry omo planting for food and jobs wo ohunhyem bi scandals enam ho Akuffo Addo ho wanya kukuduro edo wonsa akoka John Dramani Mahama wo wonsa ko wodani ohuna mane utiate we emasa enye obi ne kuma ntwiu bo asia ko na nkasa na di nitiri ekoje akyerema eno ena Edudzi tamaklu adika aka no o say owi ofo nsa na wahwe wo de efo nsa no te sese bi nipa nsa say ya oko ewura mu a forest na ko hu efo for ye fence ko adui like chimpanzee and mpinfo na nkasa omunsam sei nete enti ukunu na se owia awasa o check wonsa ukunu na utwitwa na ne nsa ne dankwam na uyi ne nsa na obewia ye careful wan hwa abeka wonsa to yes owi efo nsa hwe wo de aba ye de botachi no sa ba no a ye de bobo ba mampini Akuffo Addo wo mekai video bi a na yakonama UTV no kan news afa baomia ho sa baomia so oba obeyisi so wiye o kan ni na wi no so wuyai wo baomia wuyai wo Akuffo Addo yai wuyai ena wo se den wo dun sako Mahama ni efa corruption ho tiate I'm telling you tiate you are doomed. You are doomed forever. And I know that the work will be jail. Baumia will be in court. I see it kruma. Mwana mu biebi enyo maso. Enti no achena obi ntumi nkojina baby. Sabi Mahama tama yefe na no okọ special prosecutor office no okọ ba no okọ ba wanka nkyere NDC ni bia o. No ma be bochi nku akojina office wo say ye nti ase e na mo tata obo amani akasa na NDC for food 2 years nkasa no mko akoye ye nyina e be ko obi say e kwa ko protect no mo bia ya na e be si wa mo bia mane ye frɛ no akɔ answer the questions obi an okunu fie on nam campaign o ye campaign times no ye frɛ na okay nyame da ben oh next 3 days e be here time ben 2 o'clock okay remember no adwai no aba no abeko na yakọ bisa nsem bi no asasa no okunu fie sa akopun se madi asam na yi from 2020 na madi awie na so wafa no so no okwa na so ochina wo so okoba okotena opposition no yebehu dream ni katahyehyɛ proye kankan ewo wamanyosem a obeye yinum ewo aban a wode ba yinum na wo so saa aba no ye de bowa wura ma obiara wo Ghana ha nsore monu hu musu se ono okugina baabi akobocinku akọ freedom say yenku gina honko protect obi never insi wa ende ka yankasa ye be frɛ police for catch am so omom fie nsu hyengu mapampam omon hwie nsu hyengu mutiri so cause yenso so sabe mo asam so sabe yenso so nkwase asam so o krom ha John Dramani Mahama ono waka na asem o se obi ani o chen tumi o krom ha wa wo se opeso di o man nanim bia no se biribi asi na se ye frawa you have to avail yourself for investigation enti ono ye friend no he availed himself koye because onim say the trimu fita tinku amantimi nkunu enti sa wo so chena wo di so di edura abusua ba mbo hunu busu hie Akuffo Addo isu brebra Akuffo Addo I cry for you I cry for you abusua aha PENDREAM TV message some subscribe to the channel na like video no na share to other platforms so mami for adwenkyere to comment section no ase efama PENDREAM TV yes edamu yopo
ya mobo wo Ghana etisika so o manya ohia man nenam amamu a enkoyie enti no ekom de
the country where I come from, the truth is irony. Just like animal farm, justice mean inequity. So who go say the truth? Who go say the truth? Christian can say silence, Islamic leaders silence. Kings and queens, silence. Traditional leaders, silence. So who could say the truth? We are them go so confused the call. Now by area why no better. We are them go so confused the call. One guy's oh yeah why no better. Who could say the truth? Who go say the truth? Oh, he live it now, see what I see so. Now your friend on a nine come asem. Only papi obeka nasem bia. So I want to obet you too. Everybody was afraid. And when Tina Nantuma caught it, Yajanai. Once my boy dumping one and but who go tell the truth? Nanai or say me. Nanso bien person beka wasam because everybody is afraid. Anya safwe muayini. Akuku drofo nyina danima. Enti who go say the truth? Obiadra konson so to grow your man set to me be a cacobrafo. Efo anyina ye. Efo. When you know ye. Na so kutrata down na so be dia back or why no keke. I fene for be man mo pia for efo e. Ne cross on my mo. Hanya safwe mo ayini. Akuku drofo nyina danima. Enti who go say the truth? Abaya di bote chino. Yedi bi bebo nyande bi. Kachi sa udi oma upipi numa. Would your mind never shine my preference? But who go tell the truth? TUC, silence. Even journalists, silence. Oh, then who go say the truth? Right is right, wrong is wrong. No matter how you justify. You say you wanna get rid of corruption. Someone want to help you. Now the person become your target. Jobless no they mean senseless. Poverty no they mean useless. One day them go resist.
My never say ma PENDREAM TV. PENDREAM TV there osia dem yopo.
Dedi kama amena PENDREAM TV ase. Na so far so good. Say open online portal e wo Ghana. Nipa share, nipa follow, nipa comment here. To my best of knowledge, without any biases, PENDREAM TV.